Honorable Haruna Idrisu, Minister of Communications, Dr. Nikweno, Chairman of NITA, Mr. Adil Akpogan, Chief Executive of AfriNIC, Karen Rose, Director of ISOC, distinguished government representatives, delegates to the Second Africa Peering and Interconnection Forum, industry participants, representatives of telecom operators, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a great pleasure for us, the National Information Technology Agency, to host and also welcome you to the Second African Peering and Interconnection Forum. I'd like to thank our event sponsors, Google, AFNOG, ARM6, NetNord, CCOM, AfriNIC, Alcatel, Lucent, Huawei Technologies for their help in making this event possible. We appreciate them all. Judging from the fact that there has been tremendous increase in internet usage and expectation of a much greater percentage in the coming years, in Africa, it is good for this event. It is good that this event is happening at a time when a lot of effort is being made by governments of developing and emerging African markets to ensure improvement in internet access to their citizenry and at a lower cost. Reliable regional interconnections will no doubt contribute to lower costs in accessing the internet and ensure a better user experience among other benefits. Although many African countries are reaping the benefits of shifting from the usage of satellites in their internet connectivity to better and more improved options that provide higher bandwidth, the challenge still persists that still the lack of network interconnections between many African countries block the ability to achieve reliable, sustainable, efficient, and very cost-effective benefits that could be achieved with reliable interconnection. The question that needs urgent response to is that with increasingly evident improvement in network infrastructure and internet access in Africa, what should be done to better foster regional interconnection, especially since for most African countries, data traffic traveling to neighboring countries must necessarily land in Europe or North America or some inefficient route before coming back to Africa, its final destination. I believe that this is the reason why we are all here. Over the last 5 years, the National Information Technology Agency has been implementing the e-government project. Key to this implementation, the government of Ghana is deploying a new government data network with extensive fiber and wireless infrastructure connecting all ministries, departments, and agencies. Already, a good number of sites have been covered. This network, no doubt, is equipped with facilities to improve traffic amongst countries. We recently just initiated a rural fiber interconnection project, which will set up a rural fiber link all the way from the north, the border with Burkina Faso, to the south. NITA is also supporting the National Research and Education Network called GANET, Ghana Academic and Research Network in Ghana, with interconnections to Senegal and Nigeria. This is an example of implementing a cross-border project. The prospect of achieving the vision of a cost-effective, fast, and readily available internet access in Africa is shared by many African governments. However, efforts at achieving improved interconnection in Africa are paramount as far as this forum is concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, this event is rich, covering discussions on peering, regional interconnections, and cross-border interconnection frameworks. The operators here present at this forum should take advantage of the opportunity of knowledge sharing to rapidly advance our networks in the region. In conclusion, I'd like to say that NITA looks forward to working with the many stakeholders represented here to effortlessly press forward the dire need to streamline regional interconnection in Africa. Thank you all for attending.